In this video, I will show you how to do a test order on Shopify. So let's just say this is the theme or your site that you're working on. So all you need to do is simply preview it, click on view, and now this is basically how it is going to be looking in the front end section. Make sure that you save every setting that you have onto your site. And once you're onto your front end section, you simply need to place an order using your product. So this is, let's just assume that's your product. You need to be clicking on buy now and place a order and fill up the details. So once you actually do that in your front end section, it is going to be receiving an order into your orders list. So you can see currently there are no orders showing up, but we can get them once we are actually placing an order. So this is how you can add a test order, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.